Okay, 20. Okay, second number, pila man? 13. Adi ko yung isa akong number. Ilis na ng 13. Okay, 7. So our equation is 20 plus 7. So I all know the answer, right? But before we call in our math wizard, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. So now the numbers have been shuffled. Now let's call in our math wizard, Snow. Oh, what a lovely entrance from Snow. So once again, Snow, your equation is 20 plus 7. So the tao na ito, nagsali ni sila kagabi eh. Okay, Snow, 20 plus 7. Alright, is Snow ready? Okay, Snow, solve the equation for us. Snow mixed up number 2. So is the first number correct? I'm not even more sure. Is the first number correct? Yes, so Snow. So complete your answer, Snow. Sabot pa sila. And there you go. 20 plus 7 is 27. So how about a round of applause for Snow? Shelter and a good place to nest. Alright, let's shake Bandit. And there you go, intelligent, right? How about a round of applause for Bandit? So now, do you think Goldie can find our hidden object? Let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie find our hidden object. Now Goldie searching using her psychic powers. Oh, she's sensing something, and she found it. So how about a round of applause for Goldie? So a trainer Vince is Snow, a trainer Carla is Tweety, and a trainer Jessie is Nigel. So now let's start. Now first in the middle is our silver-breasted cockatoo Tweety. Now these birds prefer their habitats along the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforest. Now they are primarily white with black beaks and a distinctive silver yellow crest. So show them your crest. So its scientific name is Cockatoos ballerina. Now up next to trainer Jessie is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, also known as the white cockatoo or the great white-crested cockatoo. Now these birds are distinguishable from other white cockatoos because of their woolly white crest, which raises up like an umbrella. So if ka ng crest ni Nigel, masaka na, mga na siyang umbrella ang forma. So its scientific name is Cockatoo alba. Now if you were to compare Tweety and Nigel, so obviously Tweety has a yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white plumage. Now lastly up there with trainer Vince is our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, also known as the salmon-crested cockatoo because of their pinkish white color. It's a fruit, but also meat as well. And have you noticed, too, right here is an excellent food catcher. So here in the Philippines, they are locally known as Macaw or the clock of the mountains. So let's show them too. Right, first one too. Okay, last one, sir. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, ready your cameras as we count 1, 2, 3. So let's show them to. So let's go to.
Tungan.
Now, 1, 2, 3. Amazing, right? So how about a round of applause for Southern Rubens Hornbills? So here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is home. We're not trying to say get reference in the ocean, but or blue, let's go Azul. Another thing is this. Azul, that's all giving us at the same time. What a clever technique from Azul. So trainer Kata, kita Pato, doing at the same time. What can you say? Hey, with that trainer Vince, you got cheated. Why, na-cheat mo?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Alright, so how about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? Now this time, I'll need an is over and grabs the money and Blue lies back to the table. I guess Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money. So sir, are you okay with your money for donation?
Yes.
Since it's okay sir, how about another round? Higher amount, 500 na po. Joke lang ito sir, it's all part of the show. So before we give you your money back, you'll have a photo op with our lucky bird for souvenir. So please stand right there and follow our trainer's instructions. So now smile and pose together with our money bird Blue. Alright. So here's your money back, sir. So please follow our photographer and then give you a printed copy for free. So now that right there is Bandit. With trainer Vince is Washi and with trainer Kata is Goldie. So now let's start. No offers on your right. With trainer Jessie is our green winged Macaw Bandit. So his body is covered with red plumage. Now his wings and tail feathers are green and blue. So this macaw has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. So its scientists are Raptor upstairs. Now Bandit, say hi to me, hi. Other side of the Bandit, hello. Now up next with trainer Kata is our blue and gold macaw, Goldie. Now blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its inner wings and belly. So its eyes and beak are solid black. Now its scientific name is Ara Ara Rauna. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3 gold macaws. So we have Goldie up there and si Blue and Azul earlier in a basketball game. So later, na po like segment si Goldie. Now kung si Bandit mag-high, si Goldie mag-flex yung wings. So flex your wings, Goldie. There you go. Now lastly with trainer Vince is our blue-winged parrot Washi. Now blue-winged parrots are native and more male and in the Philippines. So here in the Philippines, they are known as decoy. Now hi, Kinga. Now Brahminic hides are typically known as Haliastor Indus. These lowings can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. So here in the Philippines, they are known as manok or lawings in the Visayan region. Now, kung familiar running a bird, muna siya ang bird na nasa show ni Kuya Kim na matang lawing. Now, Brahminic hides are delicate and petite than eagles. That is because they prey on smaller animals, such as fish and insects. And so that is it for our Rummy High Kingdom. Now up next is our Philippine Circulornis Holospilus. These endemic eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines, so mostly found in open woodlands and forests. Now Philippine eagle and Philippine serpent eagle are two different birds. So si Freddy right there is our Philippine serpent eagle, while ang Philippine eagle is 3 times larger than Freddy. And so that is it for our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. Now before she is a kid, so si kids, sit down lang sa kids. And if our birds fly over you, please do not try to reach or grab our bird. So for the meantime, please sit down. Aggie. Now, white-bellied sea eagles, scientifically known as halianthus, young master. Now, these raptors can be found around Southern Asia and Australia. Now, these enormous raptors are primarily white with its head and body, with a gray back and wings which held in a V shape. Now they are considered as the second largest raptor in Australia. Now these raptors are known to be skilled hunters and also have an excellent eyesight, which can catch up to their prey as fast as 30 to 100 miles per hour. Now they primarily feed on aquatic animals such as fish, sea snakes, and sea turtles, as well as caviar such as swans and sheep. Now ready your cameras as Aki will fly across the stage. And so that is